Apple cider vinegar, often known as cider vinegar or ACV, is a form of vinegar derived from cider or apples that has a pale to medium amber hue and is used in cooking and baking. Apple cider vinegar is used in a variety of natural household products and recipes because of the numerous health benefits it provides. With a unique combination of important vitamins and trace elements, apple cider vinegar is a potent component and product addition that can be used by anybody. Hey, everyone! Welcome to Daily Positive Dose. In today's video, we are going to go over the 15 amazing health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 15. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to aid in the enhancement of metabolism and the reduction of water retention. According to one study, a modest amount of apple cider vinegar can aid in the suppression of your hunger. While we wouldn't recommend it as the next diet miracle, it should be beneficial when used in conjunction with regular exercise and a good diet. The use of acetic acid has been demonstrated to inhibit hunger and, as a result, minimize water retention in the body. Other studies have also discovered that apple cider vinegar is beneficial in the breakdown of fat. Apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight if you incorporate it into your daily diet in little amounts, such as adding 2 teaspoons to your salad. Number 14. Detoxification properties. One of the more well-known health benefits of this bitter-tasting drink is its ability to aid in the detoxification process. This natural cleaner not only has the ability to help detoxify your home, which is why it is widely used as a household cleaner, but it is also claimed to help eliminate toxins from your body, particularly from the liver. Apple cider vinegar can also be combined with essential oils or Epsom salts to make a purifying and calming bath treatment, which some people choose to use instead of ACV. Number 13. Blood sugar regulation. When it comes to blood sugar levels, apple cider vinegar has a significant impact. Apple cider vinegar interferes with the digestion of starches and carbohydrates and inhibits the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. The result of this is a stabilization of blood glucose concentrations. Several research investigations have also come to the conclusion that any vinegar may be beneficial in lowering blood glucose levels. Take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime to help prevent blood sugar spikes from occurring. Number 12. Helps clear skin problem. Apple cider vinegar contains malic and lactic acids, which are supposed to soothe and exfoliate the skin while also minimizing the appearance of red patches. More than that, the antibacterial qualities of apple cider vinegar can aid in keeping skin clear and looking its best. Precautions should be taken, and the vinegar should be tested on a small spot of skin first. ACV may have adverse effects on your skin, such as inflammation, depending on your skin's sensitivity level. Apple cider vinegar's antioxidant capabilities can also assist in the slowing down of the aging process. Apple cider vinegar helps to slow down the aging process by keeping the acid-base balance in our body in a stable state. As an alternative to incorporating apple cider vinegar into your regular diet, you could also use it as a tonic for your face by placing some into an airtight spray bottle and diluting it with water. Apple cider vinegar's tonic characteristics also assist to exfoliate the skin and heal pimples, among other things. To dry out blemishes and speed up the healing process, put diluted apple cider vinegar on a cotton pad and dab it on the spots. Number 11. Helps alleviate bad breath. It is believed that apple cider vinegar possesses antimicrobial characteristics, some of which may be beneficial in the prevention of bad breath at least once a day. Take a few sips from the bottle. The antibacterial properties of apple cider vinegar come to the rescue once more. Take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, diluted with a little water, before bed to destroy odor-causing bacteria in your mouth if you feel like your regular brushing and flossing aren't working. Mouthwash made from apple cider vinegar is frequently recommended as a healthy alternative to commercial mouthwashes. Its antimicrobial characteristics may be beneficial in the treatment of bad breath, although no research have been conducted to determine how effective it is. Remember to dilute apple cider vinegar well with water before using it as a mouthwash. The typical ratio is 1 tablespoon for every cup, or 240 milliliters, of water, as the acidity of the vinegar may cause tooth decay. Number 10. Cellulite reduction. It is believed that apple cider vinegar aids in the appropriate storage and breakdown of fat, both of which are significant elements in the decrease of cellulite. In order to achieve more cellulite removal, mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of oil, such as coconut oil, and gently massage problem areas in circular motions for 5 minutes. Number 9. Healthy heart. Because of the high acetic acid content in apple cider vinegar, it has been shown to lower blood pressure and LDL, or bad, cholesterol levels. A study conducted on apple cider vinegar found that it can lower the levels of triglycerides and low-density lipoproteins (LDL) in your blood while simultaneously increasing the levels of high-density lipoproteins (HDL) or good cholesterol. By including apple cider vinegar in your everyday meals, you can enhance the flavor of your dishes while also working toward a healthier heart. Number 8. Free radicals. Many of us are familiar with the concept of healing antioxidants that help to minimize free radicals in our bodies. Various fruits and vegetables, for example, contain antioxidants in high concentrations. Free radicals are highly reactive chemicals that have the potential to cause cell and tissue damage in the body. Apple cider vinegar can be sprinkled on fresh fruit and vegetables to increase their antioxidant properties while also providing flavor. Number 7. Provides an energy boost. Do you require an immediate pick-me-up? A modest bit of apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of water can provide you with the boost you need. Potassium and enzymes are reported to help avoid weariness to such an extent that athletes have been known to utilize it to convert carbohydrates into fuel before a large workout or race, as well as to help eliminate lactic acid buildup after a hard training or race. When consumed in moderation, ACV can also assist to reduce the effects of an energy crash caused by excessive sugar consumption. Number 6. Relief against sore throats. Apple cider vinegar's antibacterial characteristics, it has been claimed, work wonders on more than just the stomach and can benefit other sections of the body as well. In order to soothe and battle pain, gargle with a warm glass of water combined with a splash of apple cider vinegar if your throat is feeling scratchy or rough. The antiviral and antibacterial characteristics of apple cider vinegar make it an excellent choice for soothing a sore throat. To get instant relief, you just have to gargle with a diluted apple cider solution. Number 5. Digestive aid. Adding additional vinegar to your diet may also aid in the digestion of the food you've consumed because it enhances the acidity in your stomach and includes various antibacterial characteristics. Furthermore, because sluggish digestion can result in acid reflux, apple cider vinegar has been shown to help avoid the burning sensation that can occur after overindulging in food. Eat 30 minutes before dinner by drinking 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey mixed together in a small glass of warm water 30 minutes before dinner. Number 4. Balances your body's pH levels. What may come as a surprise to many is that, despite the fact that vinegar is highly acidic, it can actually assist in neutralizing your body's pH levels, making them more basic or alkaline, which is beneficial. Additionally, because persons who consume a more basic, alkaline-rich diet tend to have greater bone density, ACV may be beneficial in maintaining bone strength. Number 3. Helps lower cholesterol. In addition to maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, recent research has revealed that apple cider vinegar can also help lower cholesterol levels, something you may not be concerned about right now, but which may be beneficial to you in the long run. Number 2. Protects against scrapes, stings, and bruises. Because apple cider vinegar is claimed to operate as an anti-inflammatory agent, applying it to bumps and bruises may aid in the healing of the wound and the reduction of discoloration and swelling. Some reports claim that it can even deactivate a jellyfish sting more quickly than other treatments. Number 1. Helps clear your sinuses. Apple cider vinegar has been claimed to thin mucus and alleviate nasal congestion due to the high potassium content and acetic acid present in the vinegar's composition. In order to clear your sinuses, mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it immediately afterward. Do you know about any other benefits of apple cider vinegar? If so, then please let us know in the comment section down below. With that being said, here we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked this video. If so, then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you never miss any video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.